Want to make money with smart investments? Dividend growth stocks might just be your answer. These stocks have a history of outperforming other asset classes due to their strong financial results and ability to adapt to different economic environments. Today we're highlighting 5 such stocks that are likely to generate wealth over time. First on the list is Walmart. As the leading big box retailer in the US with a strong global presence, Walmart has been increasing its dividend every year since 1974. The compound annual growth rate over the last 10 years is 1.94%. The current yield is 1.4%, and the dividend is sustainable with a low payout ratio of 37.7%. Next up is Amgen, a biotech company that has been at the forefront of biotech innovation since 1980. Amgen has increased its dividend every year since 2011, with a 10-year growth rate of 13.9%. The current yield is 2.92%, and the dividend is supported by a modest payout ratio of 59.2%. Then we have PepsiCo, a leading producer and distributor of beverages and snacks worldwide. PepsiCo has a strong track record of dividend growth, with 51 consecutive years of increases and a 10-year growth rate of 8.2%. The current yield is 2.98%, and the payout ratio is 80.5%. Medtronic, the world's largest pure-play medical device company, is our 4th pick. Medtronic has increased its dividend for 46 consecutive years, with an average annual growth rate of 9% in the last 10 years. The current yield is 3.19%, and the dividend is supported by mid-single-digit revenue growth and a payout ratio of 88.9%. Lastly, we have Altria, a leading tobacco company in the US with a dominant market position. Altria has increased its dividend 58 times in the last 54 years, with an average annual growth rate of 6.5% in the last decade. The current yield is almost 10%, and the payout ratio is 77.5%. These stocks offer a combination of dividend growth and yield, with solid financials and a commitment to rewarding shareholders. Remember, dividends are payments made by companies to their stockholders as a distribution of their profits. They can be in the form of cash or new shares of stock, and are usually paid on a quarterly basis. Dividend-paying companies are often large-cap and well-established businesses. So, there you have it. 5 magnificent dividend growth stocks to buy and hold forever. Remember, investing is a long-term game, and these stocks could be key players in your financial future. If you enjoyed this video and are keen on making smart investments, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more informative videos on how to grow your wealth. Until next time.